Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Full Guide. Start by creating your company file and connecting your bank accounts to import transactions automatically. Next, set up your chart of accounts and customize invoice templates so customers receive branded bills. I will walk you through bank rules, reconciliation, and generating basic reports like profit and loss to keep your books tidy and audit-ready. In this section, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Full Guide. Each day, review imported bank transactions and apply bank rules to speed categorization. Create and send invoices, then monitor overdue customers with gentle reminders. Record expenses and attach digital receipts so you have proof for every transaction. Finish the day by checking your dashboard for cash flow alerts and any unreconciled items that need attention. In this segment, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Full Guide. Schedule monthly reports like profit and loss and balance sheet to review financial health and spot trends. Use AR and AP aging to prioritize collections and payments, and reconcile payroll entries if you run payroll. When tax season comes, export tidy reports for your accountant or use built-in sales tax tools to calculate and file owed amounts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.